Right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are obviously riding the FC250. Haven't rode this thing in ages. It's good to get back on it. I am riding in a t-shirt, as you can tell, because it's just way too hot to even wear a hoodie. But yeah, we're going to a track that I haven't been to in so many years, and you guys haven't seen it either, so on the channel at least. So yeah, it's gonna be sick. We'll go over this little hill. But yeah, I got some new riding pants. I got these for Christmas, but I haven't actually had time to use them. Getting some wheelies in, you already know. Holy fuck, dude, there's no trees. Dude, this, what the fuck? This all used to be trees, dude. It's so bumpy. Wow, it's a river! It's a river! Damn, this shit looks piece of wet. Damn! This shit's so pretty. Damn. The fuck's happened here? So pretty. Got the mountains down the back. The water. Such a sick spot. So pretty. Got the mountains down the back. The water. Such a sick spot. Sketchy, bro. I think I got around here. Brother. Fuck off, bro. This bike. See, it's not starting. There we go. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I suck at riding air bikes. Jesus! Please brake, June. See it? Truck's crossing, let's hope not. Not right there. Dude, I'm like getting covered in so much shit, dude. It's kind of scary when a big truck's coming fucking straight towards you. Oh my gosh, dude. This is horrible. Like, how the fuck am I supposed to ride this? Like, I'm not really trying to fucking rip through a puddle and get fucking soaked. Alright, I just changed my battery. This thing is filthy. I'm like absolutely covered in mud. So yeah, it's great. Alright, we might go down one of these trails soon, but I'm just gonna go have a wee look at the river as long as this thing starts. You know what I mean. Yeah. Gotta love this shitty bike. Ah, shit. Yeah, today, the whole reason why I'm actually riding this dirt bike is because my R7 got a flat. So, but anyway, I'm pushing it backwards and I look at my tyre, I'm like, ooh, that is not good, amigo. And it's flat. Now I called up the shop closest to me and I asked them how much it cost to fix it, and they said minimum 120. I'm like, dude, there's no way it costs that much to fix it. And anyway, I call up the place next closest to me and he said, I can't give you a price over the phone. Jesus. I was like, if I take my wheel off it'll be cheaper, and he said yeah. Like cool, I'll bring it in. And I didn't even have a big enough socket to fucking take my wheel off, so I had to go into work on my day off and get them, and then went home. Oh my gosh, got home, didn't get like a crack bar or whatever it's called to make it easier to take off, so I had to find something. Fuck me. Oh damn, bruh. I had to find something long enough to like crack it. I was like, ooh. Like, right. Well, anyway, I found it. I took the tyre, the wheel off. I took it to the guy. He said he'll fix it for 25 bucks. So, oh damn, that is a good price. I was like, yeah, cool. Said it'll be done around 2 o'clock. I was like, yep, cool. I'll go ride my dirt bike. Not gonna lie, I mean, I'm getting fucking dirty as from this mud, but it is very refreshing. But yeah, oh my god. Great cops, dude. Where the fuck did he even come from? But yeah, yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, I would love some. Respectful to the cops. If you guys have any suggestions for videos, please let me know, because I'm sort of out of stuff. It's just me going out and exploring. I don't really have too much to talk about. That was surprisingly smooth. Backups? Backups! Knee knocker? Alright, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm not really sure what's going to come of it as of right now in this moment of time. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.